Assalamu alaikum students. In the series of lectures on social linguistics, today I am going to tell you about register. A register in linguistics is the way people use different words, spelling or grammar, talk or write differently to different people in different situations. For example, they might be more polite to strangers, or they will be more respectful to their boss at work. In social linguistics, a register is a variety of language used for a particular purpose or in a particular communicative situation. Registers are marked by a variety of specialized vocabulary and turns of phrases, colloquialism, the use of jargon, and a difference in intonation and pace. Registers are used in all forms of communication, including written, spoken, and signed. Now let's discuss this term with some examples. You probably behave very differently chatting with a friend than you would at a formal dinner party or during a job interview. These variations in formality, also called stylistic variation, are known as register in linguistics. Registers vary because the language is used for different purposes, in different contexts and for different audiences. For example, there is a legal register, medical register, a register of advertising, registers of banking, and a register of weather forecasting. So different fields use different technical terms according to the requirement of the particular setup. There are 5 registers of language. In one prominent model, Martin Joos describes 5 styles in spoken English. There are 5 types of registers in language. Number 1 is called frozen register. It is referred to as a static register. Printed, unchanging language such as biblical quotations often contains archives. Examples are the Pledge of Allegiance of the United States of America or other static vocalizations. In this type of register, the wording is exactly the same every time it is spoken. The second type of register is called formal register. There is one-way participation and no interruption. Technical vocabulary or exact definitions are important, including presentations or introductions between strangers. The third type of register is called consultative. There is a two-way participation in this type of register. Background information is provided and prior knowledge is not assumed. Back channel behavior such as "of," "I see," at straw is common, and interruptions are allowed. For example, teacher-student discussion, doctor-patient, or expert-apprentice discussion. The fourth type of register is called casual register. This type of register is used in group friends and acquaintances. No background information provided. Ellipses, slang, and interruptions are common, and this is commonly used among friends in a social setting. The last type of register is called intimate registers. It's a non-public register. Intonations are more important than wording or grammar. Private vocabulary is used and also includes non-verbal messages. This is most common among family members and close friends, where most of the conversation is done through gestures. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and keep watching the channel for more lectures on language, linguistics, and literature.